topic would be your mobile phones, your mobile numbers, your mobiles, whatever the numbers will be on prioritized list, or like what you say, when you start reaching the customer, he will start avoiding your phones. He have to make a decision and he don't have that much time to think about that particular thing, or that might not be his priority. He might have so many priorities in his list. This decision making may take some more time, but you don't have that much time to wait, and you are bugging them continuously. He's avoiding your call and he put it in do not disturb list. So then how you will reach the customer? We all know when we are in sales, from one number or the other number will call, but in caller ID it will be displayed you are calling from so and so office, from so and so brand. Wherever the phone, whatever the number or whatever the desk you are using, it will display the same thing. We cannot hide anything. At that time we will have to use our personal numbers to reach them, to catch them, to get a hold of them. We know it is wrong, but will not have any way. If he just give us his valuable 10 minutes, we know how to crack it. But to get his 10 minutes, sometimes we need to play so many tricks. Sometimes we will hide as an unknown number, or sometimes we try to call from our personal numbers. When we try to reach from our personal numbers, his mind will have a curiosity. Someone is trying to reach me, for what? It might be important or it might be personal. The human brain will always give an attention, and it will be giving us always he will be pinching. Somebody tried reaching me, let me call him back. Why he might have been trying to reach me for so many times from a personal number? That might be someone important who's trying to reach me. I might be missing a call. Our brain will not stop thinking about it. Then they'll call back. I'm so sorry, I have some line problem. That's the reason I used my mobile number to reach you. So we have a pretty much good offer, and I don't want you to miss this offer. That's the reason I was trying to reach you. That's the reason. Again, there, don't apologize. Sorry, I cannot. Don't do that apologizing stuff. I thought you are special and I don't want you to miss this offer. That's the reason I tried reaching you. And just quickly, don't eat his time since he called you back. Quickly get into the action and tell him that if you do it right now, if you take the action right now, you are going to get this along with this. Give him some special add-ons and close it. It will be done. I bet you it will be done. It will be done. This will work as a magic, I'm telling you. This will be done. This trick will work a lot. A lot. How many salespeople will agree who will be doing this since long? Who are not doing it, try it. It works like a magic. I'm telling you, my dear friends. I'm telling you, my dear sales family, it will work. Because I trained so many people, thousands of people, sales teams, everyone says it worked like magic, ma'am. It worked like magic. It really works. The way you close this kind of sales, the fun you will have inside you, it's like you will dance literally on the floor. Once you close it, once you complete the payment, you'll feel like you had been achieved this universe. You know, when you do anything with passion, you'll enjoy every bit of life. Especially sales. When you start doing sales, you will see that fun and magic in your life. You never feel pressure. You never feel pressurized. Whenever you close that sale, you feel like after delivery, how the mother will feel relaxed. You will feel that kind of feeling. After every sale, when you close it, some kind of assets will release in your brain and it will give you a pleasure kind of stuff. When you do this kind of special sales, it will give you more pleasure, my dear friends. You will start enjoying your game. I'm telling you. Start enjoying your work. When you start enjoying your work, you will not know, you don't feel hungry, you don't see the time, you don't see at the clock. It will be a deep down enjoyment, my dear friends. Do anything, enjoy that. Only do the works which will give you that kind of satisfaction. Choose the niches which will give you satisfaction, growth, and the exploration in your life. I don't enjoy any kind of profession which will not give me a growth. When I stopped seeing growth in that particular field, I will not be interested, keen doing the same day-to-day job, like, or just going to the office, coming back without doing any kind of achievements. Because I got habituated to do the daily fun, to see that numbers game, rocking on the floor, dancing on the floors, seeing the numbers. I used to feel bored when I reach home. Weekend. What should I do? I have to sleep. Rather than that, what we will do on weekend? Or else we will clean everything for the next week, we'll get prepared. That's it, right? When you enjoy the work, our kids going to the school, they should enjoy to go to school and they should be keen to learn something new. The person who is going to office, he should go to the office with an enjoyment and with the excitement. When you're going to your own office or your own business, you should enjoy that. Which gives you enjoyment, your growth gives you the enjoyment. So enjoy, play the tricks which will give you a lot of fun. And when you close that, you will see the double fun, my dear friends. Nothing wrong in it. Nothing wrong in it. We are in a profession where we have to do our job. We are doing it. That's it. I hope you are enjoying this session as well. And I hope you are learning this. This tricks will change your lives, my dear friends. Nobody is going to teach you this. This is all my 20 years of experience. This 52 tips to grow your life in it took us 20 years. It may took you 2 years to grow the same way, the same kind of growth. So start enjoying from today. You will see a lot of change. Let me catch you with the next interesting topic.